Okay, hello. I'm Elon, and yep, I am recording a video for myself for the program that I just did for today. And as you see, it's from USACO, which is a Computer Olympiads contest. It's a question from 2020. And so here is basically how the question goes. You can stop and take a look at the question if you want. And these are the requirements. This is the format for input, format for output, and this is the sample input and sample output. And this is explain, well, how part of this question works. Okay, so let's jump into my program, which I wrote here. Okay, so as we can see from the top, this part I use as input. Well, I input the number of flowers and the number of petals for each flower. So yeah, it will just automatically goes in from the terminal, which is supposed to be this part. See here? And these are all the variable I list, which I needed for later times in the real program. Okay, so for the first part is the while first loop is smaller than flower numbers, which is supposed to be 4 times. But since first loops is start from 0, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, that's why it's lower but not lower and equal. And this part is well, setting up another set of variables. This part which counts the list. This part counts the length of it and added number of petals together. And after out of this while loop, we divide it by the total number of flowers there are. So right here, and that's how we get an even number. And for this part, I did basically I used an if to say if TS stands for true or false. So basically I try to test if the data I want is in the list or not. And if it's 1, then the thing just pass. And which the final result is this part. Add it together. And the last part printed out to the terminal. So the program worked like this. As you can see, the list, the flower number is supposed to be 4. Oh, oops, just a 4. Okay, so this is input the number of petals from each flower. So it's 1, 1, 2, and 3. Right here. And when we press enter again, this gives us 6. Which is the total number of the final list. Okay, so this is my program for today. Thank you.